What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could launch your ATM business, have your ATM on the street, and make money all while keeping your day job? Yes, it's true. You can do that. Some people think that being an ATM business is going to take a lot of energy just to start the ATM business. Although it's going to take some, we can help you through the process, and we can teach you exactly how to get your ATM up and running within 30 days. All you need is 1 or 2 hours every week or a month to start your ATM business. We have many students that have gone through the process of starting their own ATM business. Every one of these have had a full-time 9-to-5 job while starting their own ATM business. Each one of them have put in just a few hours during the week and sometimes on weekends. Here is the process that you need to start. So the first week, what you want to do is you want to spend 1 to 2 hours a week setting up your S corporation, doing the research of how to set up the corporation for a federal, and then again, you're going to have to do it for the state. Week number 2, you're going to take that information once you get it from the state, and then you will take your corporation papers to your local bank and you can set up your business bank account. Week number 3, spend a couple hours researching, talking to business owners to place your ATM. Then you order your ATM. If you order from us, we'll program your ATM, we'll get it ready, and then we'll ship it out to you. Week number 4, you install your own ATM with a discovery call to us that will talk you through the process, how to change your safe password, how to change your vault cash password, load your paper, and program your cash, along with a little tutorial on how to use our ATM portal, and then you will be in the ATM business generating positive cash flow. We call this the Weekend Warrior ATM model. You work on your weekend to set up small tasks to start your ATM business. Of course, we have a course that specifically outlines these details, but you can get some of this information right here on this video. So number 1 weekend, pick a name for your ATM business, research it online to see if there's other people with that same name, and then contact your local state, or you register your business with the federal so you can get your what we call a federal tax ID number. Once you have that number, then weekend number 2, you're going to take that, go to see your local banking information, take all your corporate papers, you're going to go down them. Always make sure that you tell them you're going to be in the ATM business, because there's certain banks that will not want to do business with you. Stay away from the bigger banks. That's Bank of America, Chase Bank, and Wells Fargo. Stay away from those banks. They won't want to do business with you, but always go to local mom and pop banks to set up, or savings and loans, or credit union to set up your ATM business account. Number 3, and when you're doing that, always look around for places that don't have an ATM. Pick a lane. We always tell you to pick a lane. Is that going to be the laundromat business? Is it going to be convenience stores, gas stations? Pick one lane, develop your skills, and hone your business skills of how to talk to different business owners, and you'll be surprised how many places you'll be able to place an ATM. And then number 4, order your ATM and install your ATM. You can do that in as little as 30 days. Sometimes you could do it in 2 weeks, depending on how fast you want to move. But you know what? Just pace yourself. 30-day process works just fine. The ATM business doesn't take a lot of time to start, but it does save some effort. You got to ask yourself, are you happy with where you're at in life? Do you want to make some changes? Do you want more of where you're at? If the answer is yes, then you got to make a decision. You got to, what they say, jump. You got to try something different. And they always say, if you don't try something different, you're always going to get what you're currently getting. You want something different, you will have to try something different. The ATM business might be this place for you. If you're here on this video, maybe it is the place for you. But all that's going to take a little bit of more energy than what you're doing right now, and we can help you through the process. Hopefully this video has given you some insights, some information to help you during the journey. So if you want to start your own profitable ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business so you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 passive income every single month. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and join our ATM Mastermind group page where you can get more exciting information about the ATM business.